Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're reviewing the Mathematics for Machine Learning and Data Science Specialization from deeplearning.ai. It is a beginner-friendly, math-first path that connects linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics directly to real machine learning workflows in Python. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. Why this specialization matters. If you've ever felt blocked by the math behind machine learning, this series, taught by Luis Serrano and newly updated for 2024, was designed to fix that. Instead of abstract proofs with no context, the lessons anchor each concept to the models you actually use: embeddings, PCA, gradient descent, uncertainty estimation, and more. Labs are in Python, so every formula you learn shows up immediately in code. You'll leave with the essentials most practitioners wish they had mastered earlier: vector and matrix intuition, derivatives for optimization, and statistical thinking for experiments and predictions. In short, it turns the black box of ML into a glass box you can reason about. Course 1: Linear Algebra for Machine Learning and Data Science. This course builds geometric intuition first, data as vectors, data sets as matrices, and transformations as functions that rotate, stretch, and project space. You'll work with rank, linear independence, determinants, and inverses. Then connect eigenvalues and eigenvectors to dimensionality, reduction, and signal separation. The explanations favor visuals and demos, so ideas like why PCA works genuinely click. Hands-on labs reinforce every topic with NumPy operations, dot products, matrix factorizations, and projections, so you learn both the concept and the implementation. By the end, you will decompose matrices, interpret eigenvectors, and use PCA to compress real datasets without losing their most important structure. Course 2: Calculus for Machine Learning and Data Science. Here, calculus becomes a practical tool for training models rather than a pile of formulas. You'll connect limits and derivatives to optimization, build gradients for common loss functions, and understand why step size matters in gradient descent. Multivariable calculus gets demystified through partial derivatives and the gradient vector, showing how model parameters move together during training. In the labs, you implement gradient descent from scratch, visualize cost surfaces, and experiment with different activation and cost functions. You will see how regularization terms change the shape of your objective and how techniques like momentum or adaptive learning rates affect convergence, insight you can carry into any deep learning framework. If you're interested in the course, remember the link is in the video description. Course 3: Probability and Statistics for Machine Learning and Data Science. This course frames uncertainty as a feature you can quantify and manage. You'll study common distributions, expectations, variance, and conditional probability. Then apply these to sampling, inference, and decision-making. The content goes beyond definitions to practical diagnostics: confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, p-values, margin of error, and when to trust a signal in your data. Through Python notebooks, you'll run experiments, simulate data, and compare estimators using maximum likelihood and maximum a posteriori approaches. You will practice exploratory data analysis with statistical guardrails, so your visual insights are backed by tests, not hunches, and you can communicate risk honestly to stakeholders. My honest take: this specialization does exactly what most ML learners need. It replaces memorization with intuition and gives you the why behind the code. The visuals are excellent, the labs are practical, and the sequencing builds confidence step by step. If you want to progress from running tutorials to understanding models deeply and explaining them clearly, this is a smart investment. You can obtain this specialization without a one-time payment, simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.